Well, today, just aiming to go to the Kaweka Rd Lookout. I was having a look on a four-wheel drive website for places that could be interesting to go on the motorbike, and that one popped up, and the road that it's on, I've been past before. It looked like private, but apparently you can go through it so long as you just close the gates behind you. So I'm going to have a look, see if that is the case. Here we go, Whittle Rd is the way in. Machinery operating ahead. Oh, I wonder whose head the machinery is operating. Oh, see, it's a quarry. That's what machinery they must be talking about. But that is a pretty decent drop down there. Here we go. Scenic Lookout. Aha! Yes, indeed. A little bit of a look around. I did hear a gunshot before, so that guy must be hunting. Either that or he's a murderer. They're not bad views, are they? Another gravel area. So now I'm curious what's down this way. Little's clearing. Okay, let's see what Little is clearing. Check this out. The loop track, 15 minutes. So it takes 15 minutes to do the loop. But over here, the loop track, 30 minutes return. So what, they expect you to walk all the way around the loop and then turn around and walk back the opposite direction around the loop? I don't know. Oh, this is one of the mistletoes that there's a sign saying they were plentiful around here, and then when the deer were introduced they ate all the ones they could reach, and they were only above grazing level, browsing level, and then the possums arrived and basically ate the rest of them. So they've built netting around ones that are found and are doing a massive eradication projects to get rid of possums. And the mistletoes are starting to come back. Really nice mossy path. Let's just lay down and go to sleep on it. Control there. This is where people go to. Some of them are walkers, some of them are hunters. Well, this road is starting to get busy. Just had one guy come back and some other people are just following and not too far behind me. We've just finished the tramp. So, vigilance. There we go. So roadend, 6.5 kilometres. Let's have a look-see. Ooh, exciting river crossing. Must have been all of 20 centimetres deep. One good thing about being a heavy person when you're doing some of those uphill bits, there's plenty of grip on the back tyre. Bump and the end of the road. See, this sort of thing really annoys me. Bullet hole shotgun pellets, and these are the people when they're trying to sort of make it harder to get guns. We're saying, no, no, we're all the responsible ones. You can't take the guns from me. How's it responsible shooting up signs? All bullet holes, fairly decent sized ones. Morons. Big river crossing. Splash! Wow, what a hero! And the next river crossing, hero time! Splash! Splash! There we go, decent sized splashes. Water all over the place, including inside my helmet. And that is the Kaweka Rd Lookout done. Whittle Rd. Nice little jaunt, nice roads, nice views. So now to get home and edit the video. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.